Do you feel like you're not making enough money in your business? Here's 6 reasons why and what to do about it. Number 1, undercharging. If you're not making enough money in your business, the quickest way to remedy that is to put your prices up. Start by raising your prices for existing customers. If they like working with you, they'll usually be happy to carry on and pay a little bit more. Just make sure you give them plenty of notice of when you're putting your prices up. Number 2, under promotion. If you're doing business online, the industry standard for conversions is 1 to 2%. That means you have to ask a lot of people to buy your products and services, and it also means you're going to get a lot of no's. This means you need to send out more emails and have more sales conversations than you probably feel comfortable with. Number 3, sales shame. So many business owners tell me they don't want to promote their products or services because they don't want to appear pushy. But remember, as a business owner, you're not simply selling products or services, you're solving people's problems. Let's take my media diary as an example. So my media diary is an A4 desk diary that lists hundreds of awareness days and special days that you can use to plan out your content. This helps business owners and bloggers who are struggling to think of content ideas for their blog, for their email marketing, for their social media, and even to get press coverage. It also helps people who are struggling to get consistent with their content creation. If you have a high-end or luxury product or service, you may think you're not solving people's problems. You are. People have all sorts of reasons for buying things. Even if they seem frivolous to you, it doesn't mean that you're not solving a problem. I mean, I spent £160 on this dress to wear to speak at a conference last year. Did I need to spend that much? Probably not. But I wanted to feel good when I was up on that stage, and that dress made me feel like that. So it was solving a problem for me. Number 4, no audience. I speak to so many business owners who want to sell hundreds of products or services online. They don't have an email list or even a big social media following. Remember that the industry standard for conversions is about 1 to 2%. And by that I mean converting leads into sales. So that should give you an idea of the kind of numbers. Most business owners assume that it's easier to sell lower priced products to lots of people. Actually, it's much easier to sell a handful of high ticket items to fewer people. If you do that, you need to be prepared to use high touch sales strategies. And by that I mean personal emails and messages to friends, to previous customers, and anyone you think might be interested in your product or service. Number 5, product or service problem. If you're not making enough sales, there's a good chance you're trying to sell the wrong products and services to the wrong people. So let's say that you're trying to sell a high-end coaching program, but you're not getting much interest. There may not be a problem with your coaching program. It may just be that you don't have enough of the right kind of customers in your audience yet. In this situation, you have 2 choices. You can either focus on attracting more high-end customers into your audience, or you can create a new product or service for the people you currently have in your audience. Or you can do both. Number 6, few income streams. I have at least 8 income streams in my business. So this means that if I lose customers or something isn't working out as I planned, then I can look to raise additional revenue from my other income streams. That's all for today, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on promoting your business.